So right now, Derrick Rose, he has left the Cavs, and the rumor is he might not return. Derrick Rose, he said he's tired of getting hurt and it's taking a toll on him mentally. And also, he teared his ACL back in 2012, and the injuries, they ain't stopping, they just keep coming. And of course, Derrick Rose, ever since he got injured, he's only played about 66 games a season. So D Rose this season, he's played 7 games for the Cavs, but he's been out with the ankle injury since October 20. He's left the Cavs temporarily to focus on his future in the NBA. A while back, Derrick Rose said he's not gonna play in the NBA, risking getting hurt, that he would rather be able to walk his kid to school instead of staying in the NBA just to get hurt. This is truly sad for Derrick Rose, because Derrick Rose, you could have been on top. Derrick Rose was once the best point guard in the NBA. We can't even deny it. MVP Derrick Rose was something special. MVP Derrick Rose, he could not be stopped. Before Stephen Curry even became the Stephen Curry that we know today. Before Kyrie Irving was even the Kyrie Irving we know today. Derrick Rose was that guy. Before Derrick Rose got injured, he was one of the best point guards in the NBA. If Derrick Rose never got injured, he would definitely still be considered one of the best, in line with Stephen Curry, Kyrie Irving, and Russell Westbrook. They would all be running the NBA today as point guards, but Derrick Rose, he suffered an injury, and it's sad because we know that a healthy Derrick Rose can win MVP. After Derrick Rose got injured, his entire NBA career completely changed. And trust me, if Derrick Rose never got injured, he would not be taking the back seat to Isaiah Thomas. That would not be happening. Derrick Rose was once a beast. Derrick Rose was one of the best. To me, Derrick Rose, he should come back when Isaiah Thomas comes back, because then he can sit on the bench so that he don't make the injuries worse, or it'll lower the risk of him getting injured again. But right now, man, this is truly sad news. Derrick Rose, he's just sad. Derrick Rose is just one of those players where you're like, damn, what if he never got injured? How many rings would he have? How many MVPs would he have? So right now, Derrick Rose, he's frustrated with being injured all the time. And right now, Derrick Rose, he's considering not even returning to the Cavs. Derrick Rose said he's tired of being hurt, and it's taking a toll on him mentally. And we know when Derrick Rose got injured the first time, he didn't play the same. He didn't attack the same. He didn't have the same speed. So the more he gets injured, the worse he's gonna play. When Derrick Rose came back and he was playing for the Cavs, he was going off. Derrick Rose looked amazing. Derrick Rose was doing acrobatic layups. I mean, he was looking good, but then he got injured again. So does he want to risk it again? I don't know. So right now, Derrick Rose, he's trying to weigh his options. Should he come back and risk getting even more injured, or should he just maybe retire from the NBA? We all know that Derrick Rose, he wants to play. We all know that Derrick Rose, he feels like he can still be great. So I don't know the decision that Derrick Rose is going to make. I don't know if he's going to come back or if he's going to stay away. But right now, he left the Cavs temporarily to focus on his future. He wants to decide whether he wants to continue playing and risk getting injured even more, or he wants to just take a break and just say, you know what, I quit, and do something else with his life. But I wish Derrick Rose all the best. But man, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'm out.